regression. So what is regression? The unwilling relationship in the data. Okay, if there is any relation is present between the data, then we go for the regression. Okay, so regression is a powerful tool for understanding the predicting relationship in data. It helps us uncover how different variable influence each other, enable to make informed decision. Okay, so in that we have to predict something. Okay, imagine you want to predict something, like for example we have to predict the price of the houses depending on the sizes of the and the number of bedroom, like in your hometown there is a single room is there, it is in 5,000. 1 bhk is there, so it is in 10,000. But there is a 2 bhk, like 2 bedroom hall kitchen is there, so it will take and the amount like 15 or 20,000. Okay, is based on the price. The predict the house price is depends on the based on the size, based on the number of bedroom, based on the location. If it is in the good city like in Hyderabad or Mumbai, then the one single room cost is 10,000 or 15,000. And we predict one more example is the predict the students exam score based on the study hours. Like Pavni is doing the study 5 hours, so she has a good marks. But Pushpa is only doing the study only 1 hour, so she got an very means not bad mark. What we said average mark she got. Okay, so we can predict according to the study hours. Okay, regression is a way to find the relationship between the inputs. So input should be an independent variable and the output is dependent variable. The input variable is independent variable and outside output is dependent variable. Okay, so there are four types of regression. So there are the linear regression, multiple regression. Then after that, oh, wait a minute. Okay, there's a types of regression. The first one is linear regression. Then after that, there is a multiple linear regression. Then after that is a
Validation.
polynomial, and after polynomial,
Logistic.
logistic regression. Okay, good. There are four types of linear regression. So first of all, we have to see the linear regression. It is the simplest form. Wait a minute. So linear regression. Okay, it is the simplest form of regression. Okay, simple and powerful. Linear regression is the simplest form of regression, fitting a straight line to the relationship between the input and output. The simplest form of regression, it tries to fit the straight line between the input and output. For example, predicting the salaries based on the experience. Okay, like we are predicting the salary based on the if there is a fresher, he got a salary of 25,000. Okay, if there is an experienced person is there, they got an 50,000. If there is a 5 years of experience to any person or any employee, then he got an 1 lakh per annum. Okay, according to the experience, the salary will be vary. Okay, so this is the formula for linear regression. So let's go for the wait a minute. So y is a predicted value equals to m. M is a input. No, m is a slope. X is a input feature. X is a input feature and c is a intercept. Okay. Any doubt in this? Y is a predicted value. M is a slope and X is a input feature. Okay. So let's see the code for this. We predict the for we predict we predict the salary. Okay, salary depend on the work experience. Okay, how many years of experience. So for that we calculate the salary. We take the example of that. So first of all our import time, then after what we have to import, then we take one variable as x, then first import. Here we take one variable. Okay, so here we write numpy np. We give np for the numpy alias. We create a alias for numpy as np. Okay, so here we write array. We already saw this one. Okay, numpy we already saw in the previous lectures. In python we already covered these topics. So after this, here we write dot reshape. We reshape the dimension. Okay, we reshape the table. Okay, table of the 1 2 3 4. So we reshape in -1 to 1. Okay, so here the year of experience, like 1 2 3 4 5. How many years of experience? So some has an experience of 1 year, some has an experience of 2 3 4 5, like that. Okay, then we go for another variable. Then here also we have to take one array, np dot array. Then here we have to write, then we have to write here like 30, 30, 35 we write, then 40 we write, then 45 we write, and then 50. So what we are doing here, here is a difference of 5. Okay, like 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So what we analyze from this data, the person who has 1 year of experience, he got a salary of 30,000. Okay, there is a person who has an 2 year of experience, he got an, how many salary he got?
35,000.
35,000. If there's a person who have 3 years of experience, he got an 40,000. The person who has experience of 4 years, then it got an 45,000. A person who has 5 years of experience, he got an 50,000. So we said as salary in thousand. Okay, this is the salary in thousand, and this is the year of experience. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to create the model. Model equals to, here we write, here we create model, and here we write, why it is not coming. So we didn't import the, from sklearn dot linear model import linear regression. Here we have to write like this. So any doubt in this line? What we did here in sklearn module, there is a linear model. Okay, so we import from the this linear model, we import linear regression. So now here we have to access the linear regression. Okay, so we create the model, then we have to see the model is, we have to fit that model, we have to fit the model in x comma y. Okay, so here we write, then we have to do the prediction of the data. Okay, so here we write print model dot The predict we write. Why predict is not coming? Predict we write. Then here we this is the function. So here we write the 6. Okay, now we have to find the experience of the 6 years. Okay, the person who has an, like I'm an HR, I want to do the I want to calculate. Oh, there's a person is coming, new joiner is there who has an experience of 6 years. So we have to give the, according to the year of experience, we have to give the salary to that person. Okay, so for that we do prediction. Okay, so we predict here. Okay, so we have to predict this. So let's see what it will give. So Python unique.py. Why it gives a spelling mistake. It takes the time in fit. Why it gives an error here. Okay, okay, we did here one mistake. Dot. Now it will give the output. Okay, it gives the 55. Okay, so how we calculate? We can easily by manually also we can able to analyze that, but we want in the, like there is a like 33,000 and we can't able to see the difference between the values. So for that we are go with the this linear regression. Okay guys, any doubt in this? We can able to do manually also, but we want to, now I want to find the salary of the person who has an experience of 8 years. So let's see what it will give. It gives an 65. Okay guys, how it will give the 8. See, the sixth is 55, then seventh is 60, then 65 is 7th, 6, 7th is 60, then it is 65. Okay guys, any doubt? We change the values here. Okay, so any doubt till now?
No, sir.
If we take, and here we take one variable, we take year of, it not here. We are taking this. Yes, here only, or we take after this. Here we write year of experience equals to int input, enter the year of experience. Okay, here we write like this, and we see here it is allowed or not. Let's see now what it will give. Here we have to give the year of experience. We take 10. It gives 75. Okay guys,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
if I give the year of
It's okay.
experience, this person who has 0 year of experience, then how many salary we have to give? The 25,000 who is as an fresher. Okay, any
Okay.
doubt in this code? Any doubt till now? Any doubt guys? How to
No, sir.
predict? This is the input data and this is the output data. So what we are doing, we find the relationship between these two data, input data and output data. This is come under the linear regression. Today's date is 28.
28.
Correct. So any doubt in this linear regression code, guys?
No, sir.
No doubt
Sir,
now. Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Here we take salary.
Yes.
Salary difference is equal.
Yes.
Once we take the not, we didn't take equal difference. Then what it gives?
Yes. Yes. Wait. Wait. What values you have to take? Okay. 1 year of experience. How many salary you have to give? Any random number according to your need.
30,
Okay. We take 30. Then
33,
30, 30,
36,
36.
36,
Okay. For 3 year of experience.
40,
40. Then
43.
43. Then
So it's 43, sir, not 34.
43. Then
48.
48. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's see now we once again we have to calculate the salary. So how many year of experience you want? How many year of experience I have to put here?
7.
Okay, 7 year of experience. How it gives 56. So we will give the salary of 56,600 rupees. Okay.
How it
Okay.
will give? How it's calculated, sir?
See, first of all, it finds the relationship between this data with this input and output data. Okay, like what we are doing here, it finds the first the average of this one. Okay, like we already see the mean. Okay, it calculates the mean of that data for this one. Okay, so for in that we calculate for a single person how the salary will be increases according to the year. Okay, it depends according to the, like if we take the best option is we take 0. See, it is an 26.5. Okay, so for the fresher we give the 26.5. Okay, and for the person who has an 10 year of experience, for them we are giving that much of salary. It calculate depends on the complete on this. Okay, you have to see how the calculation is going. Okay, by using this formula. Where is that formula? By using this formula. Okay,
Okay, sir.
manually you able to do by this formula only. Okay, take a take a screenshot of this formula and try to add the values. Okay, today's tasks. Okay, on
Okay,
this
sir.
one. So the next one, what we have to do is the next is linear regression, step by step example, understanding the data. Like first of all, we understand the data. We have the data on year experience and corresponding the salary, showing a clear linear relationship. Then we finding the equation. Okay, so there is a base fit equation. We find the linear regression which fitted for this prediction, salary prediction. Then we predicting the salary, we can use the equation to predict the salary for a given number of year of experience. Then the next topic is multilinear regression. Any doubt in linear regression? Simple linear regression? Any doubt in simple linear regression?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. So now we go for the multilinear regression. It is also known as handling multiple input. Okay. So wait a minute. So beyond one variable, okay, when there are multiple inputs variable, we we use multiple linear regression. Okay, if there are multiple input variable, then we use multiple linear regression to find the relationship. Okay, so when there are multiple inputs variable instead of one, for example, the prediction of house price. Okay, now in the previous simple linear regression, we predict the salary corresponding to the year of experience. Okay, here we have to do the prediction of house price on the size of house, how many rooms are there, and the location. Okay, so prediction of house prices based on the size, size, number of rooms, and the location by using this formula. Don't go for the formula. We have direct the functions are there. Okay, predefined functions are there in the SK learn. Okay, in the modules there are some predefined function, so there is no need of this in the previous time before the AML these functions are used, but in the Python is very beneficial to the ML, so we there is a direct functions are there for this formulas. Okay, like we are doing the in the math module we are finding the square root easily. In numpy we find the some we do the in the math module we are finding the 10 value automatically. Okay, by using the functions. So same like that here also in machine learning we able to find the output without using the pen paper or by using the formula. Okay, so X is a feature. Okay, here is X. X is used for the feature. So where X is used for the features. Okay, sizes, room, location, how many rooms are there, size, how many size is there. Okay, for that we go for the uh, X. Okay, X means the features, and B1, B2, B3 is a coefficient. Okay, so let's see the code for the multilinear regression. If there are so multiple inputs are there, then we go with the multilinear regression. That you have to remember always. Okay, this line. If there is multiple input variable, then we go with the
Multiple linear.
yes. So this is the example for simple linear regression. So here we write import time, then we have to import the sk sklearn we have to import, then dot linear model we have to then go from sklearn dot linear model import linear regression. We have to import the linear regression. So let's see. So here is a there is a data. Okay. So you heard the technology API. Anyone heard the API?
Yes, sir.
API. What is
Yes, sir.
any full form of that?
Yes, sir. Sir. Application programming
Application programming
interface.
interface.
Yes, application programming interface. Yes, good.
Interface.
Okay. So there is a data. Okay, like in the server there is a data. Okay, we have to fetch that data into the application. There is a request and respond. Okay, means like what we said. In a restaurant there is a in the back of restaurant there are chef is there who is cooking something like maggie or burger or pizza anything, but in the front of the that restaurant there is a customer. Okay, So the customer are the application, and the backend is that chef. Okay, that is a server. Okay, and there is a waiter. Waiter is known as an API. Okay, interface between the customer and waiter. The customer want the pizza, then it takes the request to the server. Okay, there is a one customer is there. He want an pizza. Okay, he take the request to the chef. Okay, then after the chef will cook that one. Then he respond to that API. Your pizza is ready. Take it. So it will take, okay, with what we said, with enhancement. Okay, like how to what we said. Uh, how to serve, okay, how to serve that pizza to the customer, okay, with enhancement and compatibility. Then we serve to the customer. This is the from customer to the chef we request. Okay, then from chef to the customer it is a respond. Okay, so there is a request and response is there. Okay, so in that API there is a one JSON. Okay, so JSON is a JavaScript object notation. Don't go in that. There is a this is the format for that. Okay, so here we write the data. Like in the server, there is a some data. Okay, so JSON will be written inside the curly braces. So here we write sizes. So this is the we can in the JSON the data will be data in the key and value format. Okay, understand? In the JSON, the value is in key and value pair. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You understanding now? In JSON, in API fetching, there is a data in JSON format.
Okay, sir.
So there is a data 1000, 15,000, 200, 25,000, and 300, 3,000. So here we have to give the comma, and then here we write for the room. So here we write 2, 3, according to the BHK. Okay, like there is a 2 BHK, 3 BHK, or some place there is a 3 BHK is on like 2000, there is a 4000 and 5000. Here once again we give the one comma, and here we have to give the prices. So here we do the prediction on the prices. Array, why it's coming? Here we write 150, 200, 250, 300 we write, and after 350. Okay, just we take the price, okay, in thousands. Okay, this is in thousands. Okay, so prices of the this, the size is take in the square feet we can take, and square feet. Okay, there's a 1000 square feet, two rooms in this 150,000. So how much it will? 1,50,000. Okay. Any doubt up to here,
No, sir.
guys? Any doubt in this data?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, you get what I am understanding. Like this is in the API. We are fetching this data from API. There is one website. From that website, we fetch this data. Okay. There's my so now we have to import the pandas also. We required pandas for this. Pandas SPD. So here we have to use df. Any variable you can take, we take df. Pd dot data frame. Why we use data frame? Anyone? Why we use data frame?
To fetch the data.
In to get the data in tabular format. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
for that we take data frame. You forget not doing practice, huh, guys?
Yes, sir.
Here we write sizes, and after sizes we have to write the rooms. Double, like that we have to write. There is no need of this curly bracket. This is an independent variable. These two are independent variable. It is not depend on the price. Okay, the prices depend on these two factors. Okay, like the price will vary according to the this data. Okay, so let's take an y. One more variable we have to take. Same df we take. Then here we write only price. This prices we can take prices. Then here we have to, this is the dependent variable and this is the independent. These are the independent variable. It according to the requirement, like some want 6 rooms, 7 rooms, some want the big size, like there is a 7,000 square feet want 8,000. It, these are the independent variable, but these prices depend on this these values. Okay, the prices depend on the size and the rooms and the location. Okay, we didn't take the, it will be very difficult for you guys. This is a basic example. We didn't add the location here, but location is dependent or independent, guys?
Independency.
Why it is independent? Yeah, you are correct, but why it is independent? If the location vary, the price will vary.
No, sir.
Okay, location is independent because according to the choice of location we can able to take build the we can build the house there. Okay, but if the location is very, like what we say, very posh location, like in the center of the city, then it is a very huge amount for that. Price is very huge for that one. Okay, so location is independent, the price is dependent on the location also. According to the location, price will vary. Okay, so any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
So now we have to create the model. So we take one variable as model. So here we add the linear regression for this, and here we write model is fit. Model dot fit, we have to fit. And here we write x comma y, like that we have to write. Now we have to do the prediction. So here we write print model dot predict. Model dot predict we have to write. This is the predict is a function in the sklearn. So here we have to write 1800. Like the size of the plot is 1800, and there is a how many rooms? 3 rooms are there. Okay, so we have to predict for the We have to predict the price for the 1800 square feet, and how many is the room? How
Three
many
rooms.
room? Three
Three.
Three.
rooms. Okay, so let's see what it will give. See, it gives uh, the 2,30,000. Okay, it gives an the price of that one is 2,30,000. Okay, if we want to take by input, so what we have to do here, we have to take the input for the what we said area, how much area we want. Okay, like square feet we can take, square feet area we can write. So here we take int we have to write input, and here we write the enter the square feet area SQUA, enter the square feet area, and we create one more for uh, rooms equals to we take rooms equals to int. Why we use int? Anyone? Why we use int? Enter the
Integer
num
value.
yes number of rooms. Just we have to add that values here. So here we write first square feet, and then we write rooms.
rooms.
So let's see. Okay, so how many square feet area you want to build your house? Anyone?
15,
Huh?
1500. 1500.
1500. Okay, your home is 1500. Okay, number of rooms. How many rooms you want?
4.
Four rooms you want. Okay, it gives the price for that. Okay, so how many it will give? 15 lakh 50,000. Okay, 15 lakh
Okay,
and
sir.
50,000. Okay, for 15,000 square feet and four rooms. Okay, we can add the location also here. According to the location also we can able to fetch the data. So any doubt in this code?
No.
No doubt now.
Yes, sir, no doubt.
Okay, so this is for multilinear, multiple linear regression. Any doubt in simple and multiple? Till now, any doubt in these two?
Explain multiple, sir.
Multiple,
Yes, sir.
the code or the complete, only code or these presentation also.
Only code, sir.
Okay, wait a minute. See, first of all, we import time. We are commonly using this import time. Just we forget to print, and here time dot sleep. We forget to write of 2 seconds. Then here we write print end of an prediction. We can write end of an prediction. So let's see. So first of all, we import the time module. It's already we all already familiar with the time module. Why we use time module? So the next in next line, what we are doing, we import the sklearn. Okay, in sklearn there is a linear model is there. Okay, there is a module in the sklearn this in this library there is a module linear model. Okay, this is the library. In the sklearn library there is a one model linear model. So from the linear model we import linear regression. There is a one function linear regression inside the linear model linear model module in the sklearn library. sklearn is a library. Wait a minute, what I want to write. Wait. sklearn, learn is a library, and linear model is a module, and linear regression is a function of the linear model module. Any doubt in this line? We are going with very basic. Okay. Any doubt in this line? sklearn is a
No, sir.
library. sklearn is a library. Okay. So in that library there is a linear model module is there. So from this module we import linear regression function. Okay. Then we import pandas as PD. We create the alias of that panda. Okay, as PD shortcut. Okay. In the small word we can use as PD. Okay. Then here we take the two inputs from for the user. We create two inputs like how many square feet you want, how many rooms you want. Okay. For that we create two input fields. So then there is our data. Okay, there is a data. In that data, like from previous year, there is a rate like price of this, like there is a 1,000 square feet, 15,000 1500 square feet is there, 2,000 square feet is there. Okay, from this data, okay, the sizes of the plot. Okay, and the sizes of the room. This is the size of the house, and in that house how many rooms are there and how is the price is there. Till now we collect the data. Okay, like you in your from which village you are. I think you guys from Penugunda. Okay, so in Penugunda there is a price. Till now there is a price of the Pushpa houses, 1,50,000 for 2 rooms, and the size of the house is 1,000 square feet. Okay, so till now we collect this data. Okay, we analyze this data, and we create the model for this data. Now because I want to, like now I am new from the new for that town in Penugunda. I am new, but I want to build my own house there. So for that I do the prediction. Okay, so I want 4,000 square feet size of the house, and there is a 7 rooms in my house. Okay, so I want to predict the price of that room and for that house. Okay, I want to predict the price of that house. Okay, so for that we take the, this is for the do the data in the table format. Okay, we create one function variable as df. In that we input the pd. In pd there is a data frame for creating the data into the tabular format. Then we take one variable. In that we put that the data in the independent data we add in the one function, and dependent variable we are putting inside the another variable. Then we take one, we create the model. Okay, in that model we give the this function linear regression function we are given inside that model. We assign one variable for this function. Okay, so here we are using model dot fit. We have to see which factor we are fitting for this in the x and y. We have to see which data are fitting. there is a calculation of the like mean, median, standard deviation is calculating here, variance is calculating here only. Okay, then we print that data. Okay, we take the linear regression, then we predict that data, then we predict for the square feet of area and for the rooms. Okay, then it will give the price of that. Okay, if we give the I want 1400 square feet area and the room is 5. Okay, so it will give the price. Any doubt now, guys? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
So do practice on this up to 12. Okay, do practice. I will share this code with the I will share the PPT and this with the